Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and little children. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox a very new Mothercare car seat, the C-Seat Advance XP Grey and Pink version. This is great if your child is 9 kilos to 36 kilos onwards. Alright, now for the very fun part, the unboxing of the very new car seat. Okay, let me bring it out over here. Yes, and take out all the plastic wrapping. That's great. Okay, as you can see on the description of the box, it's a grey and pink version. All right. Then over here, as you can see, there's a tag over here. This tag represents the instruction manual, which is right under, okay, over here, the seat. So don't forget it, guys. If not, your child will be sitting on the instruction manual with the car seat on. All right. So as I was saying, this is actually the Advanced XP car seat user guide. All right. So I'll just place that over here in the box. I'll just turn it over to the side and describe to you what are the ages and limits of this car seat. So it starts from 9 to 18 kilos, all right, and it's after that you have the second option, which is from 15 to 36 kilos, depending on how your child how big your child is. This is how you should buckle your child for safety in the car. And you can also use the instructions which is given just now as I showed you. All right, so this is a very nice color, the pink and gray. So we got the headrest. So the headrest moves just up and down, so you can just move it like so. And this feature is actually very good when you have a 3-point buckle and harness system. So let me show you how to work this out. So if you click this, okay, it will easily come off. All right, 3-point system. Okay, you just match this lever over here, okay, into the buckle, and then okay, you slot it into the buckle like so. All right, so and then once you hear the click, okay, it's actually fastened and it's secured. All right, so you can see this is very good as well, because there's a catch over here. You can just press it and you can adjust your child's size as you fit your child in, so you can have a more secure. All right, and
you can take out the padding after 9 months.
Okay, this model comes with armrest. So this armrest is especially when a child is bigger, so she or he sits down more comfortably. This padding is also able to be removed, but this removal of padding is only to be done according to the instructions given, and when your child is already bigger, so it will actually turn into a booster seat for your child. And yep, these paddings are for the headrest as well. So the headrest padding is pretty comfortable and sturdy. It's also quite comfy. All right, so you have ones for the back and for the baby's bum. All right, and the sides of the baby's legs, and you have a protective cover which actually protects the whole car seat, and definitely this is a washable protective cover. Okay, so as you can see, let me turn this around. Okay, this unit is made in France, and so this whole thing there's actually a few flaps and rubber bands that is actually attached over here, so you can just take everything out. It actually comes in, I think, 2 or 3 pieces. So you once you get everything off, you can just throw it in the washing machine, and you can use that in the instructions from the instruction manual on how to actually care for them and wash them. And yeah, so today we have just unboxed your new Mothercare car seat, the Advanced XP version. And if you guys want any other information on other products that you would like us to review, please let us know. Like and subscribe and comment on the box below. Okay, take care guys, and have a great day ahead. See you when I see you next.